Get on the bus. Go.
Isn't this lumber enough? Do you guys have enough lumber already?
No, and we're not getting lumber. Well, we probably are getting some. Well, we gotta go into Home Depot.
You have to take it on the bus?
No, not safely. No, we'd have to move over all the car seats.
I'm just giving.
So we're going to be putting a deck on. It's not a priority for us to get out right now. This is going to be a luxury later. However, we want to drill all the holes through our roof and get them sealed, make sure they're not leaking before we put up the ceiling on the inside. So this is going to be our deck setup. We got 8 of these 4x4 brackets. So we're going to bolt those to the ceiling, and then we're going to run our 4x4s down the middle, and then obviously do our deck top. But our spacing right now, we're going to do a 10-foot deck. So we're just going to come a foot from the inside and then 2.5 feet from that, and that'll be our 4 spots.
Okay, so we measured stuff out like Shane said we were going to. I'll show you in just a second what that kind of looks like as far as where we have these bracket thingies. But what we're doing is on the bottom of these, we're putting butyl tape just to help hold them down and just kind of create kind of a watertight-ish seal from where the bolt goes in. But I will show you kind of what that looks like when I have this all butyl taped up, and then I'll show you what it looks like before we get started on the other side.
All right, so while Andrea's up top putting butyl tape on the brackets, inside the bus, this is our holes that we drilled. Here's our bolts coming down. 1/2-inch bolts is what we got, and then I'm gonna put a washer on it with a nylon locking nut, but I put butyl tape on the bottom of the washer, so that will slide up, and it might be overkill, but I don't want any leaks in here. So that'll suck up there, seal any of those extra holes, and then we'll put this nylon locking washer on it, or locking nut, and that'll help compress that butyl tape into any of those holes so we don't have any leaks from the bottom. What's the wasp thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell the whole thing over.
That's what I'm asking.
I don't know. So this is take 2, because I explained this already, but I had a booger hanging out of my nose in the first take. Didn't realize it till Shane was like, hey, you have a little something. Okay, I think we're good. So I wanted to show you guys, this is the butyl tape. That's all we did on the bottom. I know you know what butyl tape looks like at this point if you've been watching us, but we really like it. So here it is again on the bottom. Nothing fancy, enough to create a watertight seal where the bolt's going through, and then Shane's using it on the other side, so we should be good. There should be no leaks, but again, we'll see how it goes. And another fun story I told you but had to do another take of is I was up on the roof and there's wasps at the roof of our house, and they came over to the bus and tried to attack me, and I had nowhere to go. Can't really jump off the roof. So I threw butyl tape at them and it didn't work, but it was terrifying. Cool story. We got the first set of 4 in. Now we gotta do it over here. Surfing USA.
So we got it all in, the brackets at least. These are not going to be the 2x4s that are currently in there. It's going to be a 4x4, so that'll fill all the way along there. It'll be a 10-foot section, and then obviously we just set that piece of wood there. But then we're gonna do 2x4s or 2x6s going this way. Haven't really decided on that yet, but
this is the general idea.
it's gonna be the basic concept of the deck, and that's basically what's gonna be on it every day.
Me.
Doing some yoga or soaking up some sun.
I'm gonna come up here and pretend to do some yoga. Bring a drink.
And just nap.
I gotta work out, babe. I gotta work out.
Give me a drink!
Oh my god, this is me and Shane's chest here.
Hello!
You're so tall. We realized we didn't do a sign off for this week's video, so we just wanted to say, as always, thank you for watching, guys. And it's kind of a short video, not a solid ending, because it was my birthday on April 3rd and the bus was in the shop, and today's Wednesday, what is it, April 6th? Something. And we were supposed to have a bus day today because we finally got the bus back, but we decided to go to the beach to celebrate my birthday anyway. So we've been here since like 2 and got to like lay on my mom hung out with the kids, and we got to pass out on the beach and just, you know, relax. So we chose to do that instead. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new here. Check in the description below for ways you can support us. Go to worstthamomever.com/the McBrowns to check out our t-shirts and other ways that you can support our journey. But see you next time, guys.